How to log out of Amazon on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Amazon application on your phone. Amazon applications are used for a wide range of purposes, from the public-facing consumer apps like the one for online shopping, to the vast cloud computing services and developer tools. You will then be taken to the Amazon homepage as shown. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. Tap on Sign Out again to confirm. You have now successfully signed out of your profile on Amazon. You can come back and log back in whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily log out of Amazon on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.